Hey kids, do you like fun? Do you like pizza? Well, come on down to Freddy Fazbear's Pizza. We have pizza and fun. Yeah! Do you like animatronics? I know I should. We have Freddy, Bonnie, Chica. Yeah, they play songs and you can eat food while you watch them. But don't stray too far because you could get killed by a murderer. Yeah, that's not fun. Oh shit. Do you kids like pirates? Well, too bad, cause Fox is out of order. Come back when he's not, you You come on down and come on down to Freddy Fazbear's. Shh. What did I swear? Oh. Oh. Shh.